Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Today, I have an episode of Try It, Don't Buy It. Now, in my email box, I received this message from Michael's Arts and Crafts talking about a new yarn they had called Loop It Finger Looping Fun Yarn. And if you watch my channel, you know I have this little finger looping loom that I made. And for some reason, it's a crazy off the hook like video that everybody's watching. I have no reason why, but they are. So anyway, I thought, well, this would be interesting to check out this new finger looping yarn, right? So here's the thing, it looks like this, and of course, you have to understand, I buy all this product that I do my Try It, Don't Buy It's for, so I didn't buy 2 of these, I only bought 1, so this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like once it's unwrapped. And as you can see, what it is it's like regular yarn, and it's big and fluffy yarn, but it's got these little loops kind of sewn into it. On the site, on Michael's website, where they send you the link for this, they also have a little tutorial on how to use it. And so I followed the tutorial, and this is what you get. And, you know, I mean, it really makes easy. I guess it's not definite, it's not crocheting. I mean, I guess this would be considered knitting. It's finger knitting, and it makes it really easy. And as you can see, I've got like 2 different stitches going there. I was amazed, and I have to tell you honestly, when I saw it, I thought, ugh, here's yet another thing that they're creating just to sell more product, blah, blah, blah. But, you know, I have to tell you, this is a really good product, and I use Red Heart yarn all the time for a lot of my parties and stuff, and this yarn is soft, and it's puffy and fluffy, and I think it would make a very warm scarf, or, you know, I think you could sew these into hats, and I'm sure that there's books now that'll tell you all kinds of different patterns. So as far as a Try It, Don't Buy It, if you've got the money to spend, because it's not cheap. It's $5.99 a skein. Now, of course, if you're getting it from Michael's, you can sometimes get a coupon or something like that. But it's really fun, it's really easy, and it really does what it's supposed to do, which is allow you to finger knit without putting it on your fingers. And some people have found that they can't finger knit because they just get confused by it, which is something that I have to admit is my alley. I can't finger knit for some reason. But this was fun and this was easy. So as far as a Try It, Don't Buy It, I gotta tell you, this Michael's Arts and Crafts Red Heart Loop It Finger Looping Fun Yarn. It's a lot of stuff to think about. Loop it, just remember loop it. Loop It Finger Looping Yarn Fun. It's really great. And so as far as Try It, Don't Buy It, I say try it. I think it's awesome. And listen, if you get some and you want to let me know what your feelings are about it, I would love to see those comments down below. If you want to see more Try It, Don't Buy It, make sure you give us a thumbs up and write it in the comments down below, and we'll make sure that we keep, you know, reviewing products that we are using and seeing and finding out there in the world. For more fun stuff, check us out, Sophie-World.com.